separate videos. I hate this. Okay, I accidentally stopped recording because I kept doing this.
Pizza! Pizza!
Alright, we'll just do one more round and then what pumpkin monster? And then I'll end the video. Alright. Ooh, the pumpkin monster. I'm so scared of it. Where is it? I'll show him my fist. Ah, those are the pumpkin monsters. So scary. Ooh. Oh, that's a pumpkin monster. Never mind. He's scary. Ah, run. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.